Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Hi, good morning, guys. I am at Moon Chew Restaurant in Klang, Malaysia, and yesterday I had this amazing Kway Teow fishball noodle soup. It was so good I forgot to bring my camera. So today I brought my camera and we decided to go eat this amazing bowl of soup again. And right behind me is the restaurant, Moon Chew Restaurant, and at this restaurant there are many food stalls. And one of the many food stalls that you will find is a food stall that sells amazing Kway Teow fishball noodle soup. So let's go find this food stall. It's the restaurant. And here it is. Really good. 非常好吃. And this is it right here. And that is the man of the hour, the chef. So if you're in Klang, Malaysia, please come check this place out. I've had this twice. It's really good. Here it is, guys. I had this yesterday. It was really good. It's fishball Kway Teow noodle soup. I really like this because the broth is absolutely amazing. Really good. So here's the broth. Oh man, same as before, but I think today has a little kick to it actually, because my spoon was dipped in this chili soy sauce there. Right. So let's dig in. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. So there's some fish ball, Kway Teow, some lettuce, just one piece of chicken. Alright, so I'm just gonna go enjoy this meal right here. And I hope you enjoyed watching this food video. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.